Hello everyone, today I'll show you how you can calibrate the touch screen on this Koolertron navigation device. It's coming from a Honda CR-V 2010 model, and let's start. So, to go to the calibration menu, you need to press main menu on the top left. After that you need to press again settings on the top, and you can see like a compass and with a calibration mark. Click on it. This will start the calibration process. So with a pen or with the sharp thing, just point on the cross and just follow the cross all the way around. Till it will give you a screen, and then you need to press one more time to save the settings. And just to be sure, you can test it after to see if it's working properly. Click back. You can try any buttons, everything, to see if it's okay. In case it's not responding to the touch, or the unit doesn't want to calibrate, that means you have a touchscreen problem, and the touchscreen needs to be replaced. In case you need a part or you need someone to do it for you, let us know. We will be more than happy to help you. In case you have any other question, feel free to ask us. We will respond as soon as we can. Anything, we are more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.